only if you adhere to journalistic. Kung ang ginawa ninyo sa amin, it's tapa, swindling, not only me, but si Escudero, pati si marami pa yan. Inutso ninyo, harap-harapan magkulikta kayo tapos istapa ninyo kami. So, I will file a complaint. No long, Congress, no need to renew it. But to operate is something else. So I will point this out. Yung basura ninyo, then we'll see.
Wait, sir, just to clarify, you're going to block the renewal of franchise of ABS?
You're committing a crime.
So you're gonna block the...
Yes. Kung ganun ka na, you are engaged in swindling. All you know, ilang kumpanya dito na nagbayad na hindi niya pinalawat. If you operate an ABS-CBN, tapos manluloko lang kayo ng tao, mag-swindling kayo, I have to stop you. Di ba? Eh kung manluloko ka, anong gawin ko? Ang gawin ng inquirer. Maraming editorial, kung ano, mga morality, yung pala yung kasi alam mo bakit? Yung Santos na yan is the mayor, the mayor was his father sa Davao. Pinagpasal siya ng preto. So he was appointed doon sa... Kita mo kung gumastos yan kayong mga pamilya ninyo, kamag-anak ninyo, kala mo mas malaki pang sweldo sa presidente. Bakit hindi ninyo in-expose yan? So, ang media, tanongin ko muna, anong masasabi ninyo? Let's start with you. Anong masasabi mo ngayon? Sir, anong masasabi mo? Maingay ka man. Anong sinasabi?
Sir, may mga politicians din na hindi binabayaran yung media for the...
I'm not saying it. I'm not saying paying media. Ang sinasabi ko sa iyo, ito ngayon sa ABS, pati ito ngayon sa Inquirer, anong masasabi mo? Ako na ang nagtatanong sa inyo. Sige lang kayo tanong sa akin.
Hindi ko pwede sagutin kasi I'm media also. I'm media. It's conflict of interest to answer that question.
Pwede ito lang sabihin, wala kang opinion as a Filipino.
But I cannot give
No,
my
I'm
opinion.
asking you as a Filipino. Citizen.
But I'm a reporter now.
Yes, I know, but you are a Filipino
I
citizen.
decline to answer your question.
Then you are not a Filipino citizen. Or you don't know your responsibilities as a gusto kong tanongin, as a Filipino citizen, ikaw diyan, ganun kagay. Sige lang ikaw ang tanong. Kami naman. Bakit? Just because kami yung, sabi nitong preto, no, because it is press freedom. You don't know what press freedom is. I have every right to question you as a citizen of this republic, freedom of expression. Yan ang laban ko sa inyong press freedom. Freedom to what I want to say and what I want to expose. You cannot stop me. Let alone be president. Huwag na yan. Ako na ngayon ang magtanong sa inyo. I'm starting with you, PM. Ay, iwik agad yung mukha. Ikaw ma. Kasi mawala na ako ng respeto sa media. Talagang mawala na ako ng respeto sa media. Kasi when you ask questions, you adapt yung mga the issues of the day and you talked about it as if parang inquirer. Yung palang magnanakaw rin yung rulo.
Ay, gumagana pa.
Itong ABS-CBN ang klaro kasi marami kaming inutsok. Wala man lang kortesiya po. Na hindi nga ako binigyan ng kortesiya, presidente ako. Ano pa kaya yung mga maliit na tao?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
But this I would promise, lahat ng propiedad ng Pilipino that is owned by the Filipino people, isauli ninyo yan. Yung lahat ng mga binigay sa inyo in the past. The price is ridiculous. It could only mean one thing, graft and corruption.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.